Yeah. You know what? I like the players. No diggity, no doubt. Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Yo.
Well guys, welcome to Jukin Jigga. Today is the last day of my job in Chicago. Just wanted to give you guys a view of the Wrigley building, the Trump Tower and everything before I head out. This is our balcony. I'm gonna miss all this. What the fuck is this guy doing? Look at all these food trucks, man, it smells delicious. I'm sorry?
That's your camera.
Yeah. The fuck is going on, man? I understand traffic, but on the freeway, man, like this, 8 miles an hour, man. So that's it, guys. Last day at this job. New chapter starts in a week and a half. I got a week and a half off to relax, do whatever, make moto vlogs, etc. Fuck around. And it's awesome. I love this feeling of moving forward in life. Instead of trying to gain traction, I actually started moving. I was just spinning my wheels. Open road on a Wednesday. Can't ask for anything else, man. This is awesome. Perfect day to be leaving. Perfect day. Can't ask for anything else. Mid-70s, motorcycle weather. I got my bike. There's barely any traffic, and it's awesome. It's got a Porsche. Very good. Seven-Up truck, really good. See if he can honk. See if he honks. Hey! Hey! Yeah! Just having a good time. Nobody cares. I don't care. Midnight drive, got that gas pedal leading back, taking my time. Come on, man. Another 7-Up truck. Honk time. Yo. Yo. Yeah, yeah. There's a blimp up there. Holy shit. You guys see that blimp? Yeah. Fuck it. Came out. Yeah, my bike sounds sick. Even with this stock exhaust, my bike is sexy sounding, man. Can't do this. You got the witness, bitches. just on this high that I wasn't on before. Me leaving my job for something better, man. You guys, I'm pretty sure a lot of you have that feeling of leaving for another better job, but this is just amazing. Like, I've not felt this good in a long time. I feel good about everything. Look at this truck, man. All the wood it's carrying. I'm like making observations about everything today. I usually don't do that until I'm really excited. See if we can get him to honk. Yeah! Fuck yeah. Nobody got time to be stressing about life. I ain't stressing about life. Get the 7-Up truck. Keep it consistent with the soft drink. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, 7-Up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah! 3 for 3 with the 7-Up trucks, man! Yeah, man, you better be watching your mirrors. Yeah! Ah, every truck has honked for me so far. Make me feel baller! Holler at your boy! Holler at your boy! Oh, holler at your boy! Okay guys, thanks for watching me fool around on the freeway. Super excited. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at jukin_jigga! And I'll see you guys soon. Whoop! Jiggy out!
Them orgasms with my mellow accent, still moving this flavor with the homies Blackstreet and Teddy, the original rough shakers.
Shutting it down, good lord, baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around, cover much ground, got game by the town, getting paid.